We can define what is a time signature. How do you see the numbers here? Time signatures, 2/4 time signature is like this. Kung kukumpas tayo, gamit ang kanang kamay, ito yung kanan nyo, di ba? Sumunod sa akin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Dalawang kamay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Saan ang unang beat? Baba. Then, pangalawang beat, taas. So, it's like 1, 2. So, first beat, second beat. Kuha. 3/4 time signature. Ilang beats naman? Kada measure to? 3. Okay? Now, paano naman natin gagawin ng 3/4? 1, labas, up, 1, up, 1, side, up, 1, side. Baba, side, taas. 1, 2, 3. Kuha. Okay, 4/4 time. Ilang beat naman to per measure? 4. Okay. Wait na, may tanong ako. Alam niyo ba yung mga basic notes? Saka notations? Sure? Pag ako nagtanong mamaya, ah. So, sa 4/4 time signature, ganun pa rin. Unang beat, down. Dapat pasok muna, labas, up. Baba, pasok, labas, up. To draw it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kuha. Hindi na natin kailangang aralin yung 6/8 kasi komplikado siya. Okay, meron pa tayong isa, 6/8 time signature, pero basic lang muna. Okay?